Ross na mga nandito ngayon. Ayan, gaya ng sinabi kanina ni Yana, we have to prioritize our rest. And palaging guilty din ako dito guys, hindi ako nagmamalinis. Kasi guys, we have to complete 8 hours of night sleep. Night sleep guys. Or kahit kunwari meron mga nag-work dito na graveyard, dapat tuloy-tuloy kasi talaga yung rest. Hindi siya dapat patuloy-patuloy. Kasi I heard meron daw scientific explanation doon na dapat yung tulog natin is complete na straight 8 hours. Actually kahit 7 hours, basta straight, tuloy-tuloy. Kasi guys, in that way, nare-recharge tayo. Yung mga dapat ma-restore sa mga utak natin, sa mga dugo natin, sa mga ugat-ugat natin, nare-restore yan, nag-flow siya naturally. And we're sleeping 8 hours. So, sino dito ang hindi natutulog ng 8 hours?
Siya.
Ako din. Si Sir Rox din daw. Ayun, mamaya parang gusto ko makausap si Sir Rox mamaya dito. Tawagin ko mamaya si Sir Rox dito sa ano. I-interview ko din si Sir Rox Santos. Alam mo ba partner, Sir Rox Santos is the music label head from Star Pop of ABS-CBN. So, sikat yan. Oo, sikat yan. Ayan, so, ayan. Tip number 2, partner. Take it away.
Sa akin, siguro, cliche pakinggan, pero sana hindi nyo masamain din. Siguro prioritize, diba, health. Sa akin naman, what makes you happy talaga. Kasi parang it's your will, parang it will drive you to continue doing things. Kasi if you see, parang everyday, parang syempre may negative tayong nararamdaman, pero if you see things like somehow positively, for instance, you see Wayne, nagpo-post siya, ayan parang, masaya kasi nag-post yung bias ko. Parang living, parang those small things, find ways to make yourself parang happy. Para at least your whole day, parang it will make you feel better and somehow mawala yung negativity na nararanasan natin.
Yes. Ang ganda no. Talampakan nga natin guys si Yana for that. Actually guys, that is actually somehow connected to my next tip. Dahil ang next tip natin, tip number 3, is you have to reward yourself every now and then. Kasi guys, ako, personally, kapag I was, kunwari, for this day, I was so stressed, I was so occupied with the things that I am doing. Nag-aaral ako, nagre-review ako, nag-aaral ako ng choreo, ayan. I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong guys, I'm not complaining. I am so, ay, ang cute, sino yan? Ang cute ng aso. Ay, nagkakakok din yan. Ayan, ano kasi sinasabi ko, partner?
Rewarding yourself.
Ayun, kunwari, for this day, I was so busy training, and guys, so alam niyo naman yun. Ang ginagawa ko, partner, alam mo ba kung anong ginagawa ko?
Ano, partner?
Kumakain ako ng mga sweet food, kasi yun yung comfort food ko talaga, anything that's sweet. I love snacks. Ayan, I love snacks, so bibili ko. Fries ako, snack ako. Ayun, kumakain ako ng ice cream. Anything matcha. Ayan, I love matcha. Ayan, kaya guys, sobrang important kasi guys na you boost your inner self na parang I was so tired today, so I'm gonna reward myself. I did so much for today, I'm gonna reward myself. At palakpakan po natin, Astor Lord. Ayan, si Astor Lord po. Ayan. Thank you so much. And kung dumadating na yung mga Astor members natin. So, next step, partner.
Sa akin naman, since we're talking about rewarding yourself, siguro in relation to what I've said earlier, learn to parang prioritize things. Parang mag-make kayo ng list kung ano yung mas prioritize nyo sa isang araw. Kasi, for instance tayo, kasi medyo na-overwhelm tayo everyday, na parang naisip agad natin, especially pag may work and nag-aaral, quizzes mo, exams mo, tapos nag-work ka pa, syempre may deliverables ka pa sa work mo, nagko-content ka rin, so parang meron ka pang kunwari brand priorities, ganyan. So, feeling ko, or wag nyo na lang din pakinggan kung hindi ano naman. Kasi mahirap yung sa akin galing na. Siguro, learn to prioritize things. Ano yung parang heavy, yung kailangan gawin, to minimal task na kaya mong gawin in a span of isang upuan. So yun, para at least hindi kayo masyado na-overwhelm sa lahat ng bagay. At saka, it's okay to konti-konti, parang every hours, konti-konti lang yung gawin. tayong nahihirapan sa sarili natin. Ganun. And it's okay to parang mag-breakdown, ganyan, if it overwhelms us. So, ayun, learn to prioritize things well.
Yeah. So bottom line, prioritize.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung mas mabigat na kailangan tapusin today, dun kayo mag-focus.
Yes.
Ayan. And next tip, last 2 tips na lang. I'm gonna give one and then you're gonna give the last tip.
Go.
Partner. Ang aking next tip is, are you guys familiar with Pomodoro technique?
Para.
Sino familiar dito? Raise your hand. Sa Pomodoro technique. Ayan si Justin, ayan, familiar din sila. Alam niyo ba guys, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na technique kapag nagre-review tayo.
Yes.
Ayan, it's called Pomodoro technique. So, Pomodoro technique guys, is everyone listening?
Oh, sir, voice of the back.
Sorry.
Dinalagnat ka.
Dinalagnat ako.
Oo.
Hindi guys, Pomodoro technique kasi, kunwari, you're studying for your exam,
Yeah.
upcoming exam. And then, let's say for example, you have 3 hours to study. So, ang Pomodoro technique is 30 minutes, first 30 minutes, mag-aaral ka, and then you're gonna rest for 5 minutes. 30 minutes, study ulit, 5 minutes, break, 30 minutes, and so on and so forth. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng Pomodoro technique. It actually avoids you from being exhausted.
Yeah.
Kasi kapag sobrang tuloy-tuloy kasi guys, ang tendency niyan, masyado tayong ma-overstimulate, masyado tayong ma-overwork tayo.
Yes.
Gaya ng ginagawa namin, kunwari kapag nagtitraining kami guys, hindi naman kami tuloy-tuloy 8 hours nagtitraining. Meron kaming mga break times, ayan, nagre-recess din kami. Recess, kung naging school. Nagla-lunch time din kami, ayan, nagna-merienda kami. So, bottom line, we have to take breaks.
Yes.
Take breaks. Sobrang importante ng break.
Yes. And for our last tip, never too early, never too late. Hindi ka na. Ang pinaka-less siguro, for me, benta. Kung komedyante kami ni Whitney. Siguro for me, live in the present. Talking about breaks and everything, siguro living in the present. Kasi sometimes ako personally, sa age ko na to, 24, parang we tend to overthink things kasi parang tayo ngayon, siguro sa generation natin, we tend to, ako sometimes, nung hindi ko pa siya na-realize, I tend to talagang i-compare yung sarili ko. Pero these days, parang I believe mas better to live in the present kasi that's what matters most eh. Kung ano yung memories na ginagawa mo ngayon, kung yung mga dapat mong gawin ngayon, I think it's much better kasi tomorrow, you will never know what will happen. So I believe you should live in the present and just prepare for what's coming tomorrow.
Mic drop guys, mic drop. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Yana.
Yes.
Sobrang sikat. Gusto ko lang malaman yung thoughts niya. Ayan, to wrap up. Ayan, Sir Rox, meron po ba kayong any tip? Follower po ng Kapil Boss. Thank you so much. Meron po ba kayong any tip, ayan, para po sa ating mga twinkles who's listening? Para po sa mga nagbabalance ng work nila, ng akats nila, ng life nila, all at the same time.
Ano ba? Hindi, siguro ma-advise ko lang sa inyo siguro, no? So, ang pinaka-importante nyo gawin is dapat mahal nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Yun lang naman yun. Kasi pag love nyo yung ginagawa nyo, you are very passionate about it, hindi kayo mapapagod. Diba? Dapat gusto nyo yung ginagawa nyo, tsaka meron kayong heart sa ginagawa nyo. Kasi pag meron kayong heart at gusto nyo yung ginagawa nyo, believe me, hindi kayo mapapagod. Yun lang.
Mic drop, palakpakan natin, Sir Rox Santos. Last one na lang. Miss Catherine, palakpakan po natin.
Next question.
Miss Universe man eh. Ayun, Miss Cathy, what's your tip po sa ating mga twinkles na nandito kayo who are listening para sa lahat po ng mga nagbabalance ng work nila, ng academics nila, kung meron man, and life. All of this. Hindi ko mabalance. Ang ganda ng advice, Miss Cathy.
Ang advice, balance, just don't lose yourself sa process ng pagbabalance.
So, we found Miss Cathy.
So yeah, don't lose yourself dun sa pagbalance mo. And then at the same time, do what you love. Kasi hindi mo iisipin ang pagod or whatever kapag love mo talaga. So, that's why I love everyone. So, hindi ka tatagal sa isang bagay kapag hindi mo love. And then, if you're going to work on something, give your 100% so that that job will love you back.
Palakpakan po natin Miss Catherine Velasco.